Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best duvet covers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nestle Duvet Cover Set. The Nestle Duvet Cover Set is an excellent product for those looking to upgrade their bedroom and give it a luxurious look. Made from high-quality, double-brushed microfiber for ultimate softness, I thought it felt lightweight, breathable, and cool to the touch, making it a great all-season solution for comfortable sleep. This bedding set includes a queen-size duvet cover and 2 pillow shams with back overlap closure. It also comes with 4 ties to keep the duvet securely attached and practical clear buttons for a seamless look. What we like about it: made from soft, wrinkle-free material. Affordable price point. Easy to clean and maintain. What we don't like about it: maybe thinner than the images depict. Number 2. Bedsure Duvet Cover Set. This Bedsure pre-washed duvet cover set features a premium microfiber fabric, designed to offer superior softness and comfort. This duvet cover can be used year-round because it is lightweight and warm. The cover's solid hue is available in a range of colors, so you can customize it to your bedroom's decor. It also keeps the filling from bunching up, and the 8 ties make attaching the cover to a duvet insert easy. What stood out to me most about this duvet cover is that it didn't wrinkle easily. What we like about it: soft and comfortable fabric, lightweight and cooling material, durable zipper closure for convenience, wrinkle-free and durable material. What we don't like about it: not suitable for hot sleepers. Number 3. Jelly Money Duvet Cover Set. The Jelly Money Duvet Cover Set is an ideal choice for those looking for a comfortable and attractive bedding solution. The duvet cover is made from 100% natural cotton, which is highly breathable and machine washable. It gives a soft feel and keeps you comfortable through the night. This cover has a hidden zipper closure at the bottom, with a long enough opening to easily insert a comforter. Additionally, there are corner ties in all 4 corners, which can be connected to the comforter to keep it in place. What we like about it: well-made and good quality material. Comes with 2 matching pillowcases. Easy to keep clean and machine washable. What we don't like about it: colors may be slightly different than advertised. Number 4. Dreaming Wapiti Duvet Cover Set. The Dreaming Wapiti Duvet Cover Set is an ideal way to add a touch of style and comfort to your bedroom. Made from a microfiber blend, this duvet cover set provides superior softness and breathability without breaking the bank. Available in twin, full, queen, king, and California king sizes, this duvet cover comes with envelope-style pillowcases and features hidden zipper closures and corner ties to keep the comforter firmly in place. The beautiful, solid color design remains timelessly stylish and easily pairs with any decor. What we like about it: silky soft and wrinkle-resistant. Retains color with washing. Zipper closure for convenience. 1-year satisfaction warranty. What we don't like about it: not suitable for heavy comforters. Number 5. Utopia Bedding Duvet Cover Set. The Utopia Bedding Duvet Cover Set is a comfortable, stylish, 3-piece bedding set that comes in multiple sizes. It includes a duvet cover with a zipper closure, as well as 2 pillowcases with flange borders for added decorative appeal. The duvet cover set is made of ultra-soft, brushed microfiber, which is breathable and cool to the touch. When it comes to maintenance, the set was easy for me to care for. It can be machine washed with similar colors and tumble dried on low heat. What we like about it: lightweight without being sheer. The zipper and ties keep the insert in place. Machine washable and wrinkle-free. Multiple colors and sizes are available. What we don't like about it: not as soft as cotton options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.